So we'll see that there are three types of prepositions here, which we'll discuss. Woher, wohin, and wo. So the first one, Orts angaben. These three words tells about where we are exactly. कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ पे है, and कहाँ से आ रहे हैं. So the first word, wohin. So wohin, that tells us ki where we are going. So the preposition that tells about that where we are going, these are two prepositions in German that tells about the places. Okay, before that, just a reminder of the dative articles. Like the nominative, accusative, we also have got dative article. Nominative article der, dative article accusative article den, and then dative article is them. Similarly for the, so in accusative it doesn't change, you know. In dative it becomes there. Then again das, in accusative it doesn't change, but in dative it becomes them. Plural, the doesn't change both in accusative, nominative, but in dative plural it becomes den plus n. This is the article. I'll tell you about each article, but then this is the thing you need to remember. The first preposition that comes into play in dative is su. The very basic meaning of su is to. Yeah, to somewhere. For example, if I have to write, I am going to the doctor. So this sentence contains a to. So this will, in dative, it will change to to. That means su. So how am I gonna supposed to write it? So I would write ich gehe, that is going, su, and the doctor means their arts. This is the basic article of doctor, their arts. But like I said, in German, dative, the article of their changes to them. The article of their changes to them. So according to this sentence, because it contains a dative preposition, which is su, this article of their will change to them. So it will become ich gehe zu dem Arzt. Why they? Because a normal article of arts is their arts. But in this sentence, just because we are using it with the dative preposition su, it will change to them. Is it clear why it changed to them? Klar or nicht klar?
No, nicht klar.
Nicht klar. Okay, what is not clear? Let me know.
When to use them?
When to use them, right? Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Remember when we did the sentences ich esse den Apfel? Why did we use here den Apfel? Because ich is subject and Apfel is object, and accusative object takes the accusative article, right?
Yeah.
Ashwin,
Yeah.
if you remember. So similarly, Jessa, we have the article for accusative, we also have the article for dative. So this is the article for dative. Their changes to them, the changes to their, and then them das changes to them, and then plural, which is normally the, that changes to them plus n. This is the normal dative article. So the rule
What
says
is dative?
that if the sentence is dative, then we also have to use the dative article. Doesn't matter the article is bestimmt article, bestimmt means there the das. Agar ein aina bhi hai, तो it will change to einam, like that. No matter whatever the article is, agar possessive article hai, for example, agar mine hai, तो it will change to minum. So no matter whatever the article is, it's a possessive article, it's a unbestimmt article, that means ein aina, or a bestimmt article. If the sentence is in dative, you have to place the dative article before the noun. So just because there is the article for arts, arts is a masculine noun in German, and as I told, there changes to them when it comes to dative. So that's why we have here them. And now you would say, why dative? So because we are using a dative preposition, and that dative preposition is su. That's why the sentence is in dative.
I'm not sure what dative is.
Yeah. So yahan pe, as okay, in this sentence, Ashwin, don't look for subject object. You have a straight answer. Just because this sentence contains su, and su is a dative preposition, that's why this sentence is in dative. So when the sentence is in dative, so we have to use the dative article. Now is it clear?
For particular prepositions, you do this.
Yeah, it is. We are talking about particular preposition that makes the sentence dative accusative. So we are talking about preposition. Okay, let's talk about, let's change the noun first. Ich gehe, and I want to say I am going, doctor की जगह पे I am going to my mother. Yeah, I'm going to the mother. So for mother, the normal article is su dear, su di. Di होता है normal article. But this sentence will be wrong because su के साथ we cannot place the nominative article. We have to change the article as well. So what will be the article of dative article here? How the article will change? See the article. Let me know what is the dative article for feminine. Anybody? How the article of die would change? Feminine article in German in dative changes to what?
Where is it written?
Yeah,
Where is it written?
it is written here. This is I have written.
There.
I'll also yeah. So die changes to
There.
der. So it will become ich gehe zu der Mutter. Now don't say that, ma'am, if there, it will become masculine. It's not that. If anybody will see this sentence, he or she will understand, if anybody German learner, that because of su, it has been changed to der. Yeah. The article, the gender of the mother won't change. It will remain feminine. But just because this sentence contains a su, which is called to be a dative preposition, that's why we have to put the dative article before the noun. If I change the noun again to neutrum, so let's make the subject, let's make the object to a kind. Kind is a bacha, maybe a baby. So baby is called to be a das. Das article hota hai baby ka. So that's why it will again become ish geya to them baby. Why baby? Why them? Because again I wrote above that the das changes to them. You can see here the das changes to them. So that's why it will change. Now tell me anything in here, Sana and Samriddhi. Are you having any problem in the article change? Why it's changed? Why it's changing?
No, I'm no doubt.
No doubt. Ashwin, you have any doubt here?
No.
No, it's okay now. So this is the first meaning of su. Yeah. Now there is another word which tells movement in German, like if you're going somewhere, nach. Nach is also to or towards. So what is the difference between nach and su? This is the question which you will be having in second class. So that's why I'm explaining it beforehand. Nach, su is used for short distances. For example, you are going from your home to your university, you're going to your home to the doctor, you're going to supermarket, then su. If you are changing cities, for example, you are in Delhi and you're going to Amritsar, you are in Delhi, you are going to Germany, then you would use nach. For example, ich gehe nach Mumbai. Yeah, here we cannot use su because Mumbai is not, it's not a, city ke within nahi aata hai. Mumbai is a outer city. So ich gehe nach Mumbai. I'm going towards Mumbai. Ich gehe nach Deutschland. And normally जब city का नाम होता है तो हम them, their, das नहीं लगाते हैं. That's why we don't have any article here because city का नाम straight हम country का नाम लिखते हैं. City का नाम लिखते हैं and we don't put forward any article. So it's like nach. The main difference is su for short distances and nach in order to when you're talking about long distances. If you're traveling from one place to another place, then it is towards nach. And if you're traveling within the same places, it's su. Is it clear? Both of them are dative, by the way. Both of them are dative prepositions. Nach and su both. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, super. Let's come to the next one. Next preposition here. So in the sentence, it is written, Yulia.
Are these prepositions dative or are there other dative prepositions?
What? The prepositions that we are discussing right now?
Other than zu.
Yeah, su and nach, they both are dative.
I'll
tell you which one.
Aus, von.
By, aus, von.
Yeah, they also dative.
Yeah, I'll come to that. First is su and nach. It was an extra preposition I discussed. Now, it is written nach Mittag Julia geht or geht Julia zum Chef. So this sentence means, now you would question me or I put the question myself, okay, ma'am, why it is sum? Why it is not sum? Sum kya hota hai? You told us su them. So what is sum? So this is a short form. So agar su dare hai, so we can write it suer. Su or dare, for example, I wrote a sentence which contained su plus dare, right? So su plus dare we can also write in the shorter form, which is most preferred form in German, suer. Su-er. And then su them, the short form for su them is sum. Yeah. So we can change su them to sum, and we can change to su dare to suer. These are nothing. These are the short form of su dem and su dare, which is written in this as well. Su plus dare becomes suer, and su plus dem becomes sum. So these are the two short forms. So if you see here sum, don't be excited that what is sum. Yeah. So this is su and dem ka combination, sum. So why the word here is dem? What is the article of chef that we made them? Anybody can tell me why we made here them?
Masculine.
Masculine, yeah. Chef is a masculine article. So as we know that in the masculine, the dative changes to them. That's why it says on in the evening or in the afternoon, Julia, she goes to the chef. She
Is it
goes to her
Zur?
boss.
No, it is zu plus dare is zur, no?
Sewer. It is not zoom. Z ka pronunciation is always sir,
Yeah,
Ashwin. So sewer.
it should be sour chef, no? Why is it some chef?
Chef's article is there. Chefin hoti to sewer hoti. Ashwin.
No, but in the textbook it's written course form and su plus dare is sur.
Su plus there is sewer. Ashwin, this is the changed form. This is not the article form. This is the dative changed form. When you are changing the article in dative, this there, it has been changed to there. It is not there.
Where is this mentioned in the textbook?
Where it is mentioned in the sentences.
In the textbook.
Okay, wait. It is mentioned in the 84 number textbook. Open 84 number
Yeah,
page
but
course.
look, there is course form and su plus
Yeah.
dare is sur, no?
Okay. I'll. Interesting. Good one. Samriddhi and Sanai, did you understand what Ashwin is trying to say here? What problem is to he's saying that if I am making su and if I am taking the masculine, then it should be su, or then why it is sum? This is the question. Do you have the same question, or do you know the answer for this as well? How do you? If yeah, Sana, what?
Actually, I also have the same question.
Okay, you also have the same question. Good. Then if you have the same question, then it will be okay. Now, first of all, this there, okay, I understand it very properly. This there is not masculine. This there is a su ka changed form. मतलब d को there किया गया है. This is the su plus there is a dative article. This is not new. This is not masculine. For example, in the sentence it is written, try to understand it from sentence and then I'll give you some other example. We'll see sentence number 4, right? It's written here, Tom geht heute schon 9 Uhr zur Bank. Now let me tell you what is bank and how it is changing. So bank ka article hota hai the bank. Normal article, that means a nominative article. अगर आप bank कहीं पे search करोगे, चलो let me do a possible thing to explain this thing, so that you don't only trust on my word, but you see it yourself. I have opened a dictionary and I want to find out the article for bank. So I'll write bank and I'll write Zukha. Zukha means search. So when it will open, so you can see here, bank, noun, bank. Yeah, so you can see here, bank is bank, one is bench is the different one, and the other one is a bank. Bank means bank. So the article is feminine, it's written S. Are you convinced the article of the bank is the bank? normal article, nominative article is bunk, the bunk.
Yeah.